Hello guys, this is Dr. Sheikh and today we will talk about three most important ethics resources for USMLE Step 1. As you all know, the ethics is most important in USMLE exam. It makes around 15 to 20% of entire USMLE exam. So in this video, we will talk about three most important resources you have to do before USMLE Step 1. Number one resource is first aid. You have to read the first aid line by line thoroughly. The second resource is Uworld cubing. Complete the ethics block in Uworld and make sure to solve all the questions in Uworld. The third resource is the most important resource is the third one, and that is Amboss Ethics 100 High Yield MCQs. You can take the advantage of 5 days free trial of Amboss and can solve that 100 high yield MCQs from Amboss. No need to spend the money on this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.